Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically toggle your outfits to choose like something different, like a different style of the outfit. For instance, if you wanted cargo pants, select this wide one, select this toggle, and you can enable cargos. If you want ripped jeans, you can select this one, go here, and you can select ripped. You can even turn off the denim texture if you don't want it. It's going to make every color like a little bit darker. And then there's also like the sleeves one here. You can toggle, you can toggle like a bunch of options. There's two, there's just the sleeve here. There's also one for these pants. You can toggle type 2, type 3, which is like longer leggings, or however you say it. There's this one, there's cropped. There's default, and there's turtleneck on. You can also use it with cropped as well. So just play around with these because you never know if they have like a toggle or not. This one does. It's just to remove the gem though here. This one also has the skirt here. You can just delete the layer and you'll only get ruffles, for instance. But that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.